Right. I don't know ever. Don't forget you're in Holyoke.
Yeah, I guess so. I mean, I don't know though.
It's a paper city.
Paper city?
Yeah, paper city. You didn't know that?
Nah.
Holyoke's the paper city. Holyoke used to be the capital of paper. It used to make more paper than any other town in the world. It used to be the paper city of the world.
In the world, though?
The world, bro, not the country. The world. Holyoke, yo.
That's a fact.
Fact, bruh. Another fact: volleyball invented in Holyoke.
Volleyball, I know that. That's for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know that.
But paper city. Why you think you never heard it called paper city before?
The paper city? Nah, I never heard that.
What? You gotta check your facts, fam. Check your facts. Check that out. Yo, you ever heard of Enfield, Mass?
Enfield?
Yeah.
Enfield, like CT?
Yeah, like Enfield CT, but Enfield, Mass.
Nah, I never heard of that neither.
You know Quabbin Reservoir?
Yeah.
They flooded Enfield, Mass to make a reservoir. Like under the water, there's buildings.
Under the Quabbin Reservoir?
Yeah, under the water, yeah, there's rivers, there's buildings, bro.
Yeah, that'd be a cool place to go diving.
Yeah, the Mass State Police did it. They did a YouTube video about it.
Really?
Yeah, bro.
But like tourist diving, like commercial diving?
What do you mean?
Like I can go diving?
Nah. I said that there's a video about the state police that went down there and shows like there's not like buildings standing, but like the rubble where the buildings were, like all over the place, like stone walls that used to be there are still standing and stuff like that.
Oh wow, that's fucking sick. And they did that for that purpose?
Yeah, they needed to put water somewhere for all the people in Boston. Boston gets their water from Quabbin too.
And what was the city like abandoned?
They evacuated everybody. Yo, you gotta get your stuff and get out, yo.
Nah, fucking way.
Yeah, bro.
I'm gonna have to look that up.
Look that up. Look up Paper City. Yeah, look that up. Enfield, Mass. Quabbin Reservoir.
Come on. Yo, there's an exit somewhere up here that gets us like towards your crib. I don't know which one it is. You know it?
You can say the Mass Bike exit. If that's what you're talking about.
Yeah, I think so. What exit is that?
That's this one right here. Yeah, I think so.
I think so.
And then I think we get off at a Chicopee one. So we get on the Mass Pike and then we get off the Mass Pike near Walmart.
Yeah, so it's Worcester.
Yeah, Worcester, yeah. Chicopee,
Yeah, right.
6 miles.